Over 2024 and 2025, the combined expenditure on the judiciary by the union and the state governments was 0.14% of India's GDP. The lack of budgetary allocation, ineffective utilization of resources, and disruptions due to the COVID-19 pandemic have resulted in insufficient infrastructure and technological improvements and inadequate human resources. These factors have all led to an increase in the number of pending cases across subordinate courts, high courts, and the Supreme Court. This is where the Finance Commission becomes more relevant. The FC can correct imbalances in the funding of the judiciary and also have scope to provide policy recommendations. Any potential adjustments in funding, however, should ultimately strengthen the institutional capacity of the judiciary and address concerns pertaining to resource allocation. Judicial reform remains a complex issue, but these may be some steps toward developing a healthy judiciary in India. What are your thoughts on this?